Because of this comment from my main channel, I decided to create this channel where I'll be teaching you guys how to play keyboard the easy way. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a very simple song called halalela modimo Rona. This is how it goes. Halalela, halalela, modimo wa Rona. When you combine all the notes, this is how it sounds. Halalela, halalela, modimo wa Rona. Let's do it one more time. Halalela, halalela, and modimo wa Rona. Guys, you don't have to overcomplicate things. You just need to copy what I'm doing here and replicate it. That's it. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Thank you. Just try over and over again until you get it. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you.